Microsoft just made a surprising move. Microsoft has announced that they are planning to remove AI features from many of their apps. They are even talking about rolling back Copilot from several places. But what's really going on? Why is Microsoft suddenly stepping back? Let me explain. I already told you earlier that Windows 11 is slowly becoming bloated. Too many unnecessary features are being added, especially AI, and many of them are not even useful for normal users. And now people have started noticing this. Microsoft understands that if users start thinking Windows is full of useless AI and extra features, they might leave the platform. And where will they go? They can switch to alternatives like Apple devices. Now, here's the important part. Apple's MacBook Neo, at first, it might sound like small thing, but it's actually part of a much bigger plan. Apple already makes its own powerful chips for iPhones. Using that same technology, they can easily build laptops that are fast, efficient, and well organized or optimized. If MacBook Neo becomes successful, it can seriously impact the Windows ecosystem. And a lot of users will prefer Apple instead of bloated Windows because Apple can create a full product line using its own hardware and possibly even offer at it competitive prices. At the same time, many users are not fully comfortable with AI yet. A large number of people are not excited about it. They are actually concerned. And Microsoft started adding AI everywhere. Copilot is almost every part of the system. Notepad, snipping tool, photos, Word, settings, almost every app has some kind of AI features now. That's where things started going wrong. So now Microsoft is saying that they will only use AI where it actually makes sense. It means AI features may be removed from apps like Notepad, snipping tool, photos, widgets, and even some parts of the settings. This clearly shows that Microsoft is stepping back. They don't want to make the same mistake that happened with things like the metaverse, where companies invested heavily but users didn't respond well. Microsoft doesn't want to go too far in one direction and then face a big loss later. Because if they continue like this, and Apple pushes devices like MacBook Neo strongly, then Windows could lose a big part of its market. Now, along with this, Microsoft has also announced some other changes. For example, they are working on bringing back the option of move to taskbar to the top or giving users more customization. They are also improving control over system updates. Recently, some updates caused serious issues like SSD problems and system instability on certain laptops. There were cases where drives were not functioning properly and File Explorer was not working properly. So they are also improving or focusing on improving those File Explorer performance and making it faster. So for now, this is the latest update. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.